My name is Precia and I'm an Experiential Education Unit Student Ambassador. Today, I am here with Seema.
Hello, everyone.
So, Seema, which remote experiential learning course did you participate in?
So currently, I am enrolled in a year-long Bio 399 Research Opportunity Program under the supervision of Professor Sania Hinik-Forla. In this course, we're actually conducting virtual research to look at the relationship between avian foot morphology and their deep diving behavior. So what that means is we're looking at aquatic bird feet and looking at their webbing surface area to see if it's related to their deep diving behavior.
Wow, that sounds really cool. Now, how would you describe your experience and what was your best accomplishment or takeaway?
So far, my experience has been wonderful. I've learned so many research skills, including ImageJ and RStudio to collect my data and analyze it. But the most important accomplishment out of this experience is actually working with a professor who is actually experienced in research and getting to connect with her on a one-to-one basis, because this is really different from learning about research in different courses than actually doing the research. And also, I got to get out of my comfort zone and form a connection with a professor.
That is really awesome. Do you have any advice for students who are considering enrolling in a remote experiential learning course?
Yes, I strongly recommend students to apply for Research Opportunity Program. Even though it's not related to your degree, if you're interested in a topic, please go ahead and apply to it. And please reach out to a professor who is facilitating that program. And also, if you're shy like me, you should definitely try harder to get that research program, and you will end up with a memorable experience.
Thank you so much, Seema, for sharing your amazing experience. If you want to learn more about remote experiential learning opportunities, visit us at the Experiential Education Unit website.